My name is Matthew Thale, and I've been working with Banner for about 15 years, both as an end user and as a tech support guy in IT. Let's talk about what Banner is. Banner is the ERP, also known as the Enterprise Resource Planning System, that Imperial Valley College uses to manage everything from student enrollment to our budget and beyond. Banner has its fingers in almost everything that we do on campus. Financial aid, finance, student registration, DSPS, it's all going to be in Banner. So what we need to know is, how do I get to Banner? First thing we need to know about that is Banner is only accessible while on campus or when connected to one of our virtual private network connections. You got to be on the inside of the firewall. As far as the hardware, you can use a PC, a Mac, an iOS device, an Android device. So if you want to connect to Banner using your phone, you can do it. Jeff showed us banner.imperial.edu for WebStar. It's also the jumping off point for everything involving Banner. Go to banner.imperial.edu. You can see over here on the left-hand side, this nice set of tabs. To get to Banner, we're going to, actually, I want to look at one thing first. Learning and collaboration. This is a quick overview of Banner, and it's not going to cover everything that you need to know to do everything that you need to do. And there are going to be things that you're going to forget. So what I want to do is point out our learning and collaboration links here, which shows our latest Banner 9 training guides and purchase order information. So if you are having problems navigating your way around Banner and you've forgotten all of the wonderful information that we are going to share today, you can come here and get a quick refresher using our training guides. So to get to Banner production, you come over here to what is labeled Banner production, you click on it. Banner 9 admin pages. You click on that and it's going to bring up our single sign-on. I've already got mine saved, but you can see it's my username, matthew.thale. You can enter that and it'll automatically populate the @imperial.edu. You enter the same password that you log on to your computer, log on to your email, and you click log in, and it brings us to our Banner homepage with the Rose Walk. If you are logged into Banner and you see something other than the Rose Walk, say something very Star Wars-esque, you're not in Banner production, you're in one of our clone instances. Get out of there, go back to production. Down on the left-hand side, we have our control tabs. This thing at the top is what I have been informed is called a hamburger menu. You can toggle information there. Get back to the home page by clicking home. And then a majority of the control or the input you're going to be doing is here in this screen here. Banner commands are made up of 7-letter mnemonics, and many of them don't make any sense, have nothing to do with what you think they might be. As you can see, I was in SASEC recently. SASEC is the schedule. How we get from schedule to SASEC, I don't know. But you don't have to always memorize these 7-letter mnemonics. What's relatively new in Banner is you can type in a keyword and it will give you all of the pages that are related to that. So if you wanted to do budget distribution, you still find it by budget. You want to learn about students, all sorts of student information in there. So I'm going to go into ones that are things that I have worked with a lot in the past. This is the schedule form. We're not going to go into the schedule form, but I wanted to use it to show you every time you enter a form or during your time that you're logged into Banner, it's going to record that page. And if you get out and you need to go back to this page, it's all available here in the recently opened menus. You want to search for something, you can go back here. So, room, definition, another form, SLARDEF. And yes, you will get to know some of these forms. You'll name them. You'll have your favorites. SLARDEF is my favorite form in Banner. It just sounds cool to me. But then again, we go back here and say, well, I have been in SOSEC, I've been in SLARDEF. Get out of that, get out of that. What if I want to go to another page? Look up some personal information. And again, I've been to the schedule, I've been to room definition, I've been to general purpose information, or general person information. Shows all the things that I've done. I've given you the basics of Banner navigation. Banner is complicated. The student module alone has about 1,800 pages of documentation. And we have a student module, we have the HR module, we have finance, we have financial aid. It's big, it's complicated, it is intimidating to a new user. But once you get used to it, you'll find that it gets easier and easier.